We have a number of customers who actually have no office. All their employees work remotely. So they have a hard phone, which is an actual physical phone, plugged in at home, and their extension 200, and they phone somebody else that lives down the street at extension 201. You can also have soft phone clients, which are software you put on a laptop or a smartphone, and that can be your extension. So when you're on the road, if you have cell phone tower access or internet and Wi-Fi access, you can use the client that's on your phone. The remote employee has two functions. They receive calls and they make calls. So in the traditional situation, you can forward calls to an employee at home and they can answer it, and they can answer it as the company. But if they go to make an outbound call, they're using their home phone or their cell phone, and the caller ID says their name or their, the name of their husband, and that's not a particularly professional way to do a call. So if you have one of our phones at home, then when you make an outbound call, it has the caller ID of the company and the phone number of the company and so on and so forth.